buy and hold in Texas, syndicate partner in Texarkana, Arkansas, on 86 Shore apartment complex. So we're always looking for private capital investors who want to put their hard-earned money to work even while they're sleeping. So that's you. Come and talk to me. Also, as a service to the community, I am a judgment enforcer. So that means if you won a monetary judgment and you haven't collected yet, you can talk to me and I can help you get paid. So again, Chris Oden, have a blessed day.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jack Lapidus. I'm a real estate and business dispute attorney. I help people who are buying and selling mostly residential real estate. There's a problem with the transaction. I help real estate professionals